Hi everyone, welcome to our next chapter in technology entrepreneurship. Today we will diving into chapter 3, developing effective innovation strategies for technology ventures. I am Dr. Najwa Muhammad Asir and I am excited to explore how innovation can be the secret weapon for success in the tech world. Let's jump in. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand the key elements that make innovation strategy effective. You will be able to identify and differentiate between different types of innovations like a disruptive, sustaining, and business model innovation. Next, you will be able to explore strategic approaches to innovation, such as technology driven or market driven strategies. And finally, recognize common challenges and how to overcome them. Let's set the foundation first. In today's fast moving technology world, just having a great idea is not enough. What really matters is how you turn that idea into something real, lasting, and impactful. This chapter is your guide to doing just that, using innovation as a tool to build your competitive edge, scale your startup or business smartly, and lead the market with confidence. If you are dreaming of creating the next unicorn, this chapter will give you the mindset and method to think and act like a true innovator. Now, let's begin by defining innovation in technology ventures. It's not just about inventing gadgets. It is about solving real problems with smarter, faster, and more efficient solutions. In a fast-changing environment, technology entrepreneurs must constantly adapt, evolve, and innovate. And to help us understand innovation more clearly, let's explore three major types of innovations. First up, we have disruptive innovation. This is when a new idea or technology completely redefines the way things are done. Think of the shift from old phones and digital cameras to smartphone, one device that replaced many. Disruptive innovation usually starts small, targeting niche market, but as it improves, it takes over the mainstream. That's the power of disruption. It changes the rules of the game. Next, we have sustaining innovations. This one's more about evolutions than revolutions. It focuses on continuous improvements, making existing products or services better, faster, or more efficient. A great example is how smartphones models or cars improve year by year. These changes may be small, but they are essential to keep customers happy and stay ahead of competitors. Now, let's talk about business model innovation. This is not just about what you sell, it is about how you sell it and how you create value. Take Netflix, for example. It started with DVD rentals, moved to streaming, and now creates its own original content. That shift didn't just change Netflix, it transformed the entire entertainment industry. That's the power of rethinking your business model. Well, as you can see, there is the disruptive innovation game changer move. Okay, so there is an example. Everything's in one device. started with the old phones and cameras and goes to the smartphone. So, there is an example of sustaining innovation. Has small steps but big impact. Example, new cars model each year come with a better fuel efficiency and safety features or smart technology. It is not about revolutionary but enough to stay competitive. Example like iPhone 11 goes to iPhones 12, 13, 14 and 15. Remember, it's not a new technology, but it is a technology that has been improved to keep sustain in the industry. And there is a business model innovations, which is about rethinks the rules. It's what has been explained from the previous slide. Example, Netflix moved from DVD rentals, online streaming, producing original content. It changed the entertainment game and left rental store in the dust. So the thing that you have to remember that business model innovation is about not about a new product. It's about new ways to deliver value and earns revenue. Now that we understand what innovation is and its different types, and let's look at the strategies technology ventures can use to make innovation happen. Innovation strategies act like a compass, guiding companies to stay competitive, meet market needs, and grow effectively. There's no one size fits all. Each company must choose a strategy that fits their goals, their strength, and their customers. Let's go through the five key innovation strategies. So, the key innovation strategies for future technology innovators have five types. The first one is about technology driven innovation, which is focuses on prioritizing technology advancements over immediate market needs. Next, market driven innovations emphasizes understanding and responding to customer needs and preferences. Next is about open innovation. Encourage collaboration with external partners to foster innovation. Next is a disruptive innovation, which is involved introducing groundbreaking ideas that alter market dynamics. And the last types of innovation strategies is incremental innovation, which is it focuses on making small, continuous improvement to add value. First, we have technology driven innovation. This is all about pushing the limits of what technology can do. It often involves big investments in R&D and requires deep technical expertise. Things about AI, 5G, or the next gen smartphones. They have started in labs and now shape our everyday life. This kind of innovation often leads to industry breakthrough. Next is market driven innovations. This one start with the customer. What do they want? What problems do they face? It relies heavily on market research and constant feedback. A simple example, food delivery apps. They constantly update their features based on user feedback to improve speed and experience. This strategy ensures your innovation is exactly what the market needs. Now, let's talk about open innovations. One of my favorites. This is about collaborating with others, whether it's universities, research center, startup, or even competitors, to co-create something amazing. For example, when car companies team up with technology firms to create self-driving cars. That's open innovation at work. It helps speed up the process and brings in new ideas from outside your organization. This is another look at disruptive innovation, but this time from a strategy perspective. It's about creating simpler, more affordable alternatives that reach people who have been left out. Think budget airlines. They made flying accessible for more people by stripping down unnecessary costs. If your goal is to challenge the big players and open up new markets, this is your go to strategy. Last but not least, incremental innovations. This strategy focuses on ongoing improvements to existing products like smartphone software updates, fixing bugs, enhancing security, or adding minor features. Over time, these small changes build customer loyalty and keep your business relevant. Well, that's a wrap for today's session. But don't worry, we are just getting started. In the next lecture video, we will dive even deeper into the exciting world of innovation by exploring the innovation process for technology ventures, how to build a culture of innovation within your team, step for developing a winning innovation strategy, ways to measure innovation success, and the challenges you might face along the way and how to overcome them. So stay curious and get ready to turn those bold ideas into real innovation. Well, student, thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.